This is my drive. I just want to download a folder from it by tapping on download. Wait for some second in order Google to zip the file to make it into zip file. Immediately after that, your download will be start automatically, and you can download a folder that have a storage of the 20,000 of gigabyte, or let me see, 1 terabyte. In this video, I will show you how you can do it. So, ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, we will talk about how you can download a folder in a Google Drive, no matter how much the storage is. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that by the time we release the video, you'll be the first one to get notice. Without further ado, firstly, open your Google Drive application, and you'll see we will go to the folder we want to download. By tapping on that three dot behind the folder, we won't be able to download the folder, as you can see here right now. And there is no any option about downloading the folder. We can only see the option below, as you can see here right now. And still we can only download them individually, but still we want to download a folder to be in a zip file. So as you can see here, if I select them, I can only download them individually by selecting on download. And I may select Mac, or still I can download them but not the folder yet. I can download them offline to use them on a Google Drive, but that's not what I need. For example, it's maybe you don't need this, you want to download the whole folder, and Google will make it the zip file. There's some step I want to show you in order to go into your Google Drive on your Chrome or on any browser you are using. For this, I'm using Google Drive. I have to tap on search bar, then I will search Google Drive login. Then you have to enter your email address, then it will be successfully. Already, if you have a Chrome, I know most of you have a Gmail on your account. All you need to do is to tap on continue and sign in. As you can see here right now, they will give me a choice to choose an email I want to use, then your login will be successfully. So if you have a problem and you find it difficult, you can sign in into your Gmail account, then you'll be able to log in successfully. So the next step, if you find it difficult, then you have to search on google.com. That's it. You can only search Google, for example, then tap on google.com. Let's look at it in a minute. Search on Google. So in the first, that you see www.google.com.uk. So this, then tap on that rectangular dotted, then tap on Google Drive. You will see a Google Drive application. It may redirect you to Play Store, and it may redirect you to Google Drive application. It will give you choice to do. And for now, it will allow me to, it will give me chance to enter my email address. So it forwarded me to Google Drive, which I don't like it again. So the next step you're gonna do is, if when you're on Google Drive, this is the final step. Then search for mydrive.google, or let me say drive.google.com/mydrive or /drive. It's kind of the way you want to do it, and I will put the link in the video description if you want to know more about this link. So http:/drive.google.com, then tap on search. That will automatically take you to the Google Drive Chrome version. Okay, let me see, version of Google Drive on your desktop. Then tap on three dot at the right hand side and tap at the left hand side, then tap on desktop side in order to view the site in desktop. As you can see here, our phone is wider. Then you have to choose the folder you want to download. You have to choose it and hold it for some like 5 seconds, and you will see an option to download. Let me zoom it. As you can see here, I want to download this folder, semester2.pdf. So I want to download this folder. By tapping on it, I may see an option called download. Then I'll have to download and wait for Google Drive to zip the file. It will take you like about less than a minute. Google Drive will make this folder into zip, and your download will be started automatically. As you can see here, Google is currently zipping the folder. Let me zoom it in order you to see. Look at this carefully. So all you need to do, tap on that folder and zipping the file to wait for some seconds. Once the Google zipping the file, your download will be started and it will automatically finish. So you can download a folder that have a storage up to 20 gigabyte, or let me say 1 terabyte, and it will working successfully. As you can see here right now, I'm downloading a folder that had about 0.9 gigabyte GB, and once it's finished, my download will be successfully done. I can use the folder and extract it. It's kind of very simple. Look at this carefully. File downloaded successfully. So basically, let me say, this is how you can do it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Do have a nice day. Bye.